Happy morning, all. Today we are going to study about the magic tool in TextPaint. Okay, so let's go. First, I want to open TextPaint. Left button, double click. I am going to open it. Okay, let's wait some more time. Can you see one clock here? Okay, it will open soon. Let's wait. Yeah. So we got the drawing canvas and tools here. Here you can see the brushes. Why you can see brushes here? Because it's on which one is selected the page. That's why. Okay. So today we are going to study about the magic tool. Can you search here where is magic tool? Yes, it's there. So we want to go and click the left button. Okay, single click magic tool. Yes. So can you see there are a lot of options. Uh, Let's check it. First one, that is blind. Second, block, blur, brick, bricks. Then what's that? Calligraphy, cartoon, chalk. Then can you read it? Yeah, colorant, white, color shift. Then a lot of options there, right? Darken, distortion, drip. Then there is one down arrow. If we click that, we will get a lot of options. Can you see this? Fill, fish eye, flip, flower, form, fold, fetch, then glass tile, grass, okay, health tone, then mirror, light, metal, mosaic, negative, noise, pattern, perceptive, rails, Picasso, puzzle, rain. Okay, if we click again, we will get a lot of magic options there. Shift, silhouette, smudge, snowball, snowfall, square, then tint, tomato, TV, wavelets, waves. Okay, colors. So a lot of options there. Okay, these all belongs to magic option. Okay, then if we click the rails, can you see that this one, that is a rail? Okay, okay, I select the rail. Okay, then I am going to draw. Can you see this? I can draw the rail here. Got it? Then which is the next commonly used, which one? I will show you that. Bricks. You can see. Can you see this? Yeah, we can draw the bricks there. Okay, it's bricks. We can draw houses and all with using this tool. Okay, so simply you want to click you just press the left button and drag it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that is bricks tool. Another one is grass tool. You can see that grass tool. Okay, I choose the grass tool and I can draw. Just click and drag. We can draw grasses here. You understand? Then if we are going downward, we can see flower tool. Where is that? That are commonly used tools. Okay, that's why I am showing that. Yeah, flower. Okay, we want to click the flower option and then we can draw like that. Can you see? We can choose colors from there. Okay, we can choose different colors. Red. Okay, so simply we can use different colors. Different, this one sometimes green color. Sorry, there won't be green color flower, ma'am, Okay, so this is flower tool. And then there are a lot of tools there. You can choose which one you need. Okay, rain is there, right? Okay, just as simply we can draw the rain. It's very easy, right? These are the tools we can apply on the blank drawing space. Okay, then there are some other tools also that we can't apply directly over the blank drawing area, so we can study about that. For studying about that special magic tools, first we want to choose one picture or a stamp. Okay, so can you see a penguin here? It's very small, right? So we can increase the size by clicking here. Okay, I'm going to increase the size, then you can, yeah, okay, now it's on size. Yes, okay, so it's on size. Then let's give the magic effects next. Then we can click the magic tool, and here you can see a lot of effects. Which one we can choose? Yeah. Okay, let's give the wave effect here. Can you see the waves? Okay, I'm going to click the waves, and I'm going to apply the waves there. Can you see this? Yeah. So if we want to apply the waves effect, we need a picture here. We can't apply on the blank drawing area. If there is a picture, we can apply the waves effect. Like that, another one is, I will show you that. We choose another stamp. So I'm going to choose this one. It's a car. Okay, so the size is not enough, right? So we want to increase the size here. We can increase the size here. Okay, yes, it's there. Okay, so I click there. Then I'm going to give the magic effect for that car. So I want to click the magic tool, and I want to go for that. Which one is applying here, So let's search there, and here you can see drip option. Where is that? Here. Can you see this? So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to apply here. Can you? Do you understand? Okay, it's a drip option. Okay, it's a drip. If we need to apply this drip option, we should need a picture here. We can't apply in the blank space. Now I am clicking here, but that option is not applicable there. If there is a picture, I can apply that.